Hello everyone, Anthony is here, and today I want to present Eric Pfeiffer. He's a concept artist at Bungie, and he worked both on Destiny 1 and Destiny 2, and for both games he used 3D code in his concepting process. Right now I'm looking at an example of one of the character skins, character armor designs. What I like about his particular concept in this case is the clean shapes. So it is very easy to pass to somebody else and doesn't have so many suggestive details that can make it to look like a mess. To aid presentation, he's dropping a blanket material with some wear and tear in keyshot, particularly just affecting the roughness, and that adds a lot for the look. And another example of a clean sketch is a little bit of a paint over in Photoshop. If you look closely, you can see the black and white lines that add a bit of detailing to the concept. A great example of sci-fi architecture, it is usually notoriously difficult to deal with thin shapes in 3D code. However, he put his time here and created all these parts inside 3D code that allows you a bit faster creation, and then we get a final structure that way. Please go check him out, give him a follow, give him a like. He's also got an Instagram we can browse through. And if you have any other artists you can recommend who are using 3D code in their work, please leave it in the comments. I will try to do a video about them. If you want to get more into 3D code sci-fi concepting, I have a whole course, scaling sci-fi from jets to motherships. Check it out. It's a step-by-step instruction how to build this stuff, and the link is in the description. See you in the next video.